Okay, this video is to help you get started with your first offline activity. You go to Assignments, Offline Assignments, then you can see all of the offline assignments that are listed here throughout the course. I'm going to download the directions and the template. And you can also download this grading information if you want to see how your activity will be graded. And let's look at the directions here in Able Editing. This is going to give you information about a family that's wanting to create a budget. So the first thing that we want to be able to do is to know how to use Excel in order to help us create a budget. So if we go to the activity template and bring that up, then we will see that we have an Excel spreadsheet. This ribbon at the top, you need to enable editing, and we see that we have the Davidson family budget. I want to take just a little time to explain to you how the Excel program works. Let's suppose that I'm given information about auto insurance, and I know that the auto insurance is paid every 6 months, and we pay $600 every 6 months. In order to figure out my monthly budget, I'm going to type in equals 600 divided by 6, right? $600 every 6 months, so 600 divided by 6 will give me how much I'm spending every month. You can see that when I typed that in, it automatically updated the total for that category. One thing that you need to be careful of when you're prorating expenses is that you know exactly what you're dividing by. In the example that I just gave, I divided by 6 because I was paying that amount every 6 months. Now I'm just making these numbers up. These are not the numbers that you're going to be actually using in your activity. Let's say for life insurance, I pay that quarterly. That means I pay it 4 times a year, so I pay it every 3 months. So let's say I have life insurance of $60 that I pay quarterly. I pay it every 3 months. I would divide by 3 in order to figure out my monthly budget on that. One thing that you need to be aware of is that in your directions that you are told not to leave any cell blank. Let's say that this family doesn't have any savings for Christmas. Then what I need to do is enter 0 into that cell. Okay, remember that you are filling this table out based on what the Davidson family is budgeting right now. It's not what they would like to be doing, but what expenses they are actually budgeting for at this moment. Once you get this filled out, save it, and then email it to me or upload it into the Document Sharing Center.